Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to create a animation video using PowerPoint. I am going to show you how we can create Twinkle Twinkle Little Star Rhymes video in PowerPoint. In the previous videos we have seen how to create different characters and also animate them. So these three animated characters I have taken from the previous videos. Also I have created two more animated characters. Let's see how we can create the animated video using these characters. First I am going to modify this noding animation to a kind of shaking animation. So first let me remove the animation from the eye. Now it looks like just a lip movement. Next what I'm going to do is I'm going to group the face except the lips. So now like everything is grouped. So that's a one thing. Second thing, I'm going to group the body, the kind of thing along with the neck. It's the second part, and then finally I'm going to group the bottom part. Okay, so now I have made three groups, in fact four: face, body, and leg with lips separately. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the spin animation. Add animation, add spin. Okay, so before that I'm just going to tilt a bit. Okay, so that it will start from here, and then I'm going to edit the option. Okay, so the effects I'm going to keep just a 15 degrees, spin in the counterclockwise direction, and I have to select auto reverse. So you can see more detail about the spin animation in the previous video itself. Yeah, but it's straightforward. Okay, so now it looks like the head is nodding. Okay, yeah, I can see. Yeah, I'm going to make it as with the previous and just move top. Okay, yeah. Apply the same animation into the body and the bottom leg part. So you can see the shaking like this. So now here we need to only adjust the mouth animation. To have the mouth aligned with the face, I have created a custom path animation for the face. You can see it in here, like the mouth will also move horizontally along in sync with the face movement. So once we aligned, fine-tuned the animations, final character looks like this. The next character is seeing the kid seeing the sky with the telescope. So I have this telescope downloaded from the internet. So I'm just exactly going to paste it here. So it looks like the kid is seeing the sky through this telescope. I have a circle here just to give a animated effect. I have used the grow. You can see the animation grow bar shrink animation. So the final the animated character will looks like this. And this is the final character which is the kid showing the diamond in the diamond shape in the hand. So I have placed one more yellow color diamond. I have added two effects here. One is the grow and shrink effect, and I can see it here, grow shrink effect. And second, I have added also the custom the path animation, so that it looks like the diamond is flying towards the sky. While it is flying, it will shrink. You can see the animation here, like it will while it is flying towards the sky, the size will shrink. And now we have all the characters ready. Now based on the rhyme sequence, we need to place the character and do the proper animation. So first step, I am going to give the proper background. Okay, so I need the same background in all the slides, so I am going to do the update in this master slide itself. Okay, I have the background already downloaded. Once it is there, like it will apply to the all the slides. I have placed on small star in the sky with the grow string animation to have the good effect for the rhymes. Let's see how our character looks like. Okay, so this is the first character. Okay, the star is bit so let's bring it little down. Yeah, so this is the first character where the boy is singing the first line of the song. Okay, let's see like how we can sing with this audio. And this is the second animation, and third, so here you can see the effect in there, and this is the fourth animation. Okay, this we need to sync properly. Yeah, so it's better to place the star here. Okay, so now we have the 4 animation ready. Okay. The next step is to insert the proper audio. So I have the audio already downloaded. I am going to insert the audio. Insert audio from PC, and yeah, this is my audio here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it as play in background so that it will play continuously. Okay, so let's see how it looks like. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Okay, so this slide is fine. The only thing what we want is after the first line, it should we should able to navigate or transit automatically to the next slide. So for that, first we need to find the duration. Like I have used Audacity here, Audacity here, where I can get the duration. Like twinkle, twinkle, little star. Okay, so this is the point where actually I need to make a transition to the next slide. That is approximately 4.5 second. Okay, so what I can do is here I can go the transition. I can make it as, there is no 0.5, so either I can make it as 4 or 5 second. Oh, it's at 40, so make it a 0, 4. Okay, so let's see how it looks like. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you. Okay, so it's look fine. So based on this, so we need to find the exact timeline at which we need to do the transition. So for example, the next one, we have to give the relative time. So for example, it will end here. Maybe this is 4.5 millisecond a second, and we need to have in another 5 seconds, that is 9.5 seconds. So we have to give the transition as 5 seconds. Yeah. Okay, so in this way we can make the whole video in this presentation. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. I'll update the rhymes video after some editing. You can see like how the video comes out. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.